Okay, here we have the indefinite integral of dx over 5 minus 3x, and we want to evaluate this indefinite integral. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, how should how should we start this? So we could do a U-substitution. Let's say u is let's say it's 5 minus 3x. Now, this badly written u is going to kill me if I don't fix that. So u is equal to 5 minus 3x. Now, let's take the derivative of this because we want to replace all of our x terms with u. So the derivative of this side, on the left side we have du, derivative on the right side should be negative 3 dx. Okay, well, how do we substitute in our dx? Well, we need to have something where we can isolate dx, and then we can replace that with du. So let's go ahead and divide both sides by negative 3, and we should end up having, I'm just going to flip the sides over, so I'm going to flip dx and du, both sides of the equation around. So dx is going to be du divided by 3, and this is going to be negative, right? We're dividing by negative 3. So now we can go ahead and replace our variables here of x in terms of u, okay? So this is actually going to be, so if we replace the bottom chunk down here, we said that 5 minus 3x is u, so it's going to be this expression over u, and we said dx to be negative 1/3 times du. All right, now this still kind of looks a little messy, but remember we can take constants out of our integral and just treat it as whatever you're multiplying it as. So we can actually take out this negative 1/3 and put it out here. So let's go ahead and do that. So negative 1/3. So this is the same thing as saying negative 1/3 times the integral of du over u. All right, now u, solve this integral. All right, so how can we solve for this integral? Well, we can say that this is 1. I'm actually going to do another step over here. So we're going to say that this is the integral of 1 over u times du. See if you catch something now. Maybe now you see what we're trying to deal with here. So remember, the antiderivative of 1 over u is actually ln of u, right? Because the derivative of ln of a variable is just going to be 1 over that variable. So the antiderivative should be doing the opposite operation of that. So we're going to end up having negative 1/3 times ln of u. Now, I'm going to put absolute brackets over here just because you can't evaluate a negative natural log. So, and then of course you want to put your plus c here, your constant. You don't want to forget about that. And if we evaluate this more, we can back substitute in u. So it should end up being negative 1/3 of ln of 5 minus 3x plus c. Okay. I'm sorry, I was running out of room. So this is our answer right here. Negative 1/3 times ln of 5 minus 3x plus c. That's it. Thank you for watching.